After an amazing day in Tuscany, we just got back to the villa and there is nothing better to do than have some authentic Italian pizza and pasta and limoncello. Just got done making our first pizza. I learned, created, and thanks to Chef Nando and Alessandra for giving us the opportunity for this amazing experience. I'm Barrett Masso, here to help you get to where you want to go.